Great morning, everyone. I'm Kritika Samir Somji. I'm currently studying BBI in Dhanukar College. I have studied in Alam since 8th standard till 12th standard. I have never attended any tutorials or any coaching classes before. So I joined Alam. I was very comfortable from the starting days itself. The teaching was comfortable, the environment was good. I found the compatibility to be very good. The teaching methods, I was able to understand and grasp things very well. I was good at studies, I think, but since joining Alam, my basics got better and my graph kept increasing. I feel my potential got more enhanced. I felt a love for study, which I didn't have before. I used to study for the sake of studies, but then when I came to Alam, I developed an interest in maths, especially, and other subjects also. And I felt more confident as a person, as a student also. I was very timid initially, but then I got more confident and expressive. I was learning more about maths and my basics were getting better and better, and so I decided that I'll stay in Alam. इन आलम ट्यूटोरियल सिर्फ आलम सर नहीं बट उनकी बाकी की जो फैकल्टी टीम है लाइक सिराज सर जिनका इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छा है एंड देर इज़ प्रतीक सर जो मैथ्स के फॉर्मूलाज बहुत अच्छे से क्लास में ही तुम्हें लाइक फुल रिवाइज करा लेते हैं, नो नीड टू लर्न एट होम. देन देर इज़ राकेश सर, ही इज़ अ सुपर फन पर्सन. ही यूज टू टीच अकाउंट्स इन सुपर फन वे. यू विल रिमेंबर इट फॉर लाइफ, कॉन्सेप्ट्स एकदम ईजी करके. So in school, it is basically you have a lot of students. Teachers can't pay attention to one student, and there is no time to clear doubts for individual students. Teachers don't have time for that. But in RM tutorial, of course, teachers are very attentive. I could wait after the class. Teachers would wait after the class and solve doubts personally, which I feel is very nice as one-on-one. I can clear my doubts, which I couldn't ask in front of the class as I was shy, and it was a good experience. Alam sir's teaching methods are very interesting. He used to teach with real life practical examples also and in a fun way also. If I would give you an example, then the signs of comparison with crocodile mouths, or if there is no denominator then is one, सबका मालिक एक, and one more, plus and minus में ज़मीन आसमान का फर्क है. It is remembering for life. You will remember it, you won't forget it, and it's so fun. सो हर एक स्टूडेंट का कैपेबिलिटी कैलिबर अलग होता है. सम राइटिंग टाइप स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जिनको राइटिंग से होता है, या मेरे जैसे होता है जिनको ओरल से होता है, ओरल लर्निंग से. सो यू हैव टू फिगर आउट कि तुम्हें कौन सा मेथड सूटेबल है, और फिर उसके बाद कंसिस्टेंसी इंपॉर्टेंट है. यू हैव टू कंसिस्टेंटली स्टडी. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि तुम 8 घंटा बैठ जाओ, टॉपर है तो 10 घंटा बैठना है. इट इज़ नॉट एसेंशियल. तुम 2 घंटा बैठ जाओ, रेगुलरली करो. मैथ्स के टॉपिक्स अब तुम डेली सम्स करते रहो. तुम जितने बार रिवाइज करोगे उतनी बार तुम्हें वो पक्का होता जाएगा. हैंड को प्रैक्टिस बैठ जाएगी धीरे धीरे. यू विल योर हैंड की मसल मेमोरी इंप्रूव हो जाएगी. तुम्हें सीधा सीधा आंसर आने लगेगा. यू डोंट इवन नीड टू थिंक दैट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फेलियर इज़ नॉट द एंड. आलम सर ने अपनी पर्सनल स्टोरी शेयर की है. वो 8th स्टैंडर्ड में जितने बार फेल हुए हैं, बट ही स्टिल केम अप एंड नाउ ही इज़ वेर ही इज़. And then we have about reading, inculcating the habit of reading. It is very helpful. It helps to increase your vocabulary. Other thing would be communication skills. I used to think, why is he taking so many lessons and trying to gain stage confidence again and again? I used to think, why are we doing all this? But now that I'm in college, I realize, no, we have to do presentations, we have to talk to other faculties, other students. So communication skills are really a must. Alam sir is definitely helping and enhancing those skills. And I'm very proud to be a part of Alam. Great morning.